Hello friends, welcome back. This is Jessy here. Today we're going to review this all-time low score, just 1.86 out of 10. It's bad quality and overpriced. That's the Technics AZ100 for today. I'm shocked when I saw Amazon slapped a return warning on its page. Zero suspense here, let's break down the reason. First, the unboxing. I have already done, obviously. The package feels sleek and premium, but they use a ton of paper. Information is overloaded, and the same information actually. Open it up and the top layer guides you to download the app with wearing tips right there. Super thoughtful. Pull out the case and a bright yellow Technics text underneath. Clever design. They constantly remind you it's Technics. You bought a big brand. The case has a metal finish with broad metal detailing on the top. Fancy design is everywhere. You get 5 pairs of ear tips and the holder tray is really refined. They even include instructions on how to swap tips. It's unexpectedly actually helpful, because I totally froze the first time, staring at the black parts like, wait, is this the earbud or the tape? Was too scared to touch. Tips even have size prints inside and come with built-in dust filters. Designer went all out on the details. Gotta respect that hustle. Someone like that will succeed at anything. Okay, have I run out all of my praise? Yeah, that's it. Now let's talk about feet. Compared to the AZ80, these are lighter and smaller, but they still keep talking to you. We are in your ears. The body digs into your out ear, and even the S-tips feel too big for my small ear canals. I feel the squeeze just putting them in, and definite soreness within half an hour. But when I switch to the XS tips, too loose. They wobble. So what's the point of giving 5 pairs? Let me guess, you try to exchange them and break one and you can't return them. Sure, some mythical person out there might get a perfect fit, but trust me, most folks find this uncomfortable. Or why else would the return rate be freaking high? Now, the sound quality. This is what it really annoyed me. The sound stage is wide, but separation is muddy. It's like having a huge football field, but cramming all the instruments together under the LED. Detail retrieval is decent. If you really focus, you can pick out any tiny sound, like the decay of drum hits. But when we just talk about the bass, weak. No chest sound. Drum sounds distant, pushed to the very back of the soundstage. It goes deep and spreads out, but good bass should hit like a clean WBC punch. You punch, you back. Fast, powerful impact that snaps back, ready for the next hit. The AZ100 bass is slow to rebound. Drums hits bleed into each other, making it muddy and muffled. And yeah, because the detail is there, the floor screams at you even louder. In the mids, vocals sit in the middle and sibilance is controlled well enough, but they are too close to the lower mids and bass, so vocals get dragged down into the same warm, dark mess. Highs are clearly held back. It feels dull. Guitar slash isn't harsh, but they lack brightness and sparkle. Extension is poor, missing harmonics and detail. When you listen to some country music, guitar notes die out too quickly, so you don't have the strong sense of being together with the music. So, vocals and instruments aren't bright or clear enough for J-pop, K-pop, or big orchestral pieces. It completely fails to convey the energy and excitement in those vocals and arrangements. Bass also lacks punch for rock or blues. My answer is hard pass. And here's another funny story. When testing the noise cancelling, my initial take was, it has wear detection. Always default to ambient sound when you put them on. Hold 3 seconds to switch to the ANC mode. Then a friend asked if you could set ANC as the default. So I tested again and realized It actually doesn't always revert to the ambient sound. It's just that turning ANC on or off made zero noticeable difference. Only when I checked the app did I go, wow, ANC is actually on. I'm no joking, friend. Looking at the noise cancellation curve, average depth sits around -35 decibels. That's already way behind the XM5 or AirPods Pro 2. And in real-world use, it cuts very little human voice, keyboard clatter, or impact sound. Things like subway rumble or air conditioner hum get some reduction, but in contrast, that just makes voices stand out even clearer. So, does call quality suffer from its noise cancelling algorithm? Totally yes. In quiet room, voices get choppy with slight pauses and distortion, super robotic, and in windy conditions, it's totally disaster. Let's try. This is Jessy testing call quality in this quiet room. How do you feel the sound? Is it clear and can you find out this is Jessy's sound? And this is Jessy testing call quality with strong wind noise. How do you feel the sound? Is it clear? Or can you find out with me? Okay, that's all for today. If you get any questions about TWS, drop in the comment. Next plot link. What's Nothing's both thinking with the Pro 2 Plus and 2A? Wait, they are trying to... Good one, Jessy.